Nakikilala niyo ba si Robert?
Ikaw at ako pinagtagpo, nag-usap ang ating puso, nagkasundong magsama habang buhay.
Diyan ka lang pala.
San Miguel Pale Pilsen.
Stressed? Refresh ka muna! You want something sweet? Oh! Life's what you make it! Make it sweet with San Miguel flavored beer! May refreshing sweetness ng apple, lemon, and lychee with just the right beer buzz.
Make life refreshingly sweet with San Miguel flavored beer.
Pahinga muna. Pasarap ka muna. Kasangga mo ang Red Horse Beer. May sasarap pa ba sa numero 1? Sa inuman. Sa kwentuhan. Ang pagre-relax. Mapapasarap para bukas. Ikaw naman ang may lakas. Kasangga mo sa relax sarap. Red Horse Extra Strong. The number 1 extra strong beer in the world. Sama-sama na naman ang tropa. RH Super nasa lamesa. Super ang kwento, walang halong drama. RH Super ang itagay, walang problema. Mas masarap pag malamig ang tama. Round 2 na, walang mawawala. Patak-patak mga tropa para tuloy ang saya. Super ang inuman, pang sama-sama. RH Super na, ang shot ng tropa. Sunmig Hard Seltzer. Every sip may sparkle ng fizz. Share with friends, sarap, and celebrate. Zero sugar. Sunmig Hard Seltzer. All fizz, all fun.
A new flavor drop is here! Mango's natural sweetness fused with yuzu, the bold, fragrant citrus fruit known across Japan for its zesty flavor. A vibrant harmony of flavors in a refined, sophisticated wheat ale. A refreshing flavor you won't want to miss. Grab it while it's here! San Miguel Mango Yuzu Wheat Ale. Limited offer. Maximum vibes.
It's more than just a beer. It's the taste that makes the finer things even better. San Miguel Cerveza Blanca. Belgian-style wheat ale brewed with citrus, coriander, and spices for a harmony of flavors. For those who always add an elevated touch to everything. Raise the bar with San Miguel Premium Beers. It's more than just a beer. It's the taste of boldness and delight in one. San Miguel Cerveza Negra. Full-bodied dark lager with roasted malt, with hints of caramel, coffee, and chocolate. For those with passion, for perfection. Raise the bar with San Miguel Premium Beers. It's more than just a beer. It's the taste of victory. San Miguel Super Dry, made with 100% German aroma hops to create a clean, crisp, and dry premium lager. For those who make winning look so easy. Raise the bar with San Miguel Premium Beers. It's more than just a beer. It's the taste that lets you know you've arrived. San Miguel Premium All Malt, European-style lager brewed with 100% pure malt. Full flavored with a balanced taste. For those who make success a way of life. Raise the bar with San Miguel Premium Beers.
The taste of life. The feel of life. Light. It's life served light. San Mig Light. A beer that's refreshing for all your light moments. Anytime, anywhere, no matter your mood. Drink light, live light, San Mig Light.
Lahat tayo'y laging nagsisikap para abutin ang tuktok nating hanap. Kapag hinahabol ang pangarap, di kumuha tuktok nating hanap. Kapag hinahabol ang pangarap, di kumukurap kahit mahirap. Tatak ng tapang,
Naturudak!
tatak ng tapang, Ginebra. Lahat tayo'y laging nagsisikap para abutin ang tuktok nating hanap. Kapag hinahabol ang pangarap, di kumukurap kahit mahirap. Tatak ng tapang,
Maisugko!
tatak ng tapang, Ginebra.
Di lahat ng una kailangan tiisin. Yung una na trip mo agad, yon ang tumatatak. Dahil lahat tayo may firsts. First heartbreak, first beach trip, first trabaho. Hindi lahat madali. Pero pwedeng masarap ang simula. Sa una pa lang, masarap na to! Choose GSM Blue!